Hello guys, welcome to my new video. RX 9070 XT versus RTX 5080. Which GPU is the better choice? The battle between AMD and Nvidia continues. The RX 9070 XT and RTX 5080 are the latest high-end graphics card. But which one is the better option for gaming and professional workloads? Today we will compare them in detail and see which one offers the best value. Specification and features. When it comes to raw power, both GPUs bring significant improvements over previous generations. The RX 9070 XT comes with 20 GB or GDDR7 memory, while the RTX 1580 features 18 GB or GDDR7X, meaning Nvidia has optimized for faster memory bandwidth. AMD uses the RDNA for architectures which focus on rasterization, performance and efficiency, while Nvidia Ada Lovelace refresh brings advanced AI features and win better DLS for upscaling. Both GPUs are power hungry, but the RTX 1580 is slightly more power efficient thanks for a more advanced chip design and better optimization. Gaming performance. For real world gaming, we tested several popular titles to see how these GPUs perform under different conditions. In Cyberpunk 2077 with ray tracing enabled, the RTX 1580 takes the lead thanks to DLSS 4, while the RX 9070 XT lags slightly behind. However, in non-ray tracing games, AMD's GPU delivers exceptionally raw rasterization performance, often outperforming the RTX 1580 in certain titles. At 4K resolution, the RX 9070 XT excels in games like Baldur's Gate 3, deliver high frames rate, but the RTX 5080 ensures smoother gameplay with the superior frame generation technology. Content creations and AI features. For content creators, which GPU is the better choice? The RTX 1580 shines in AI power workloads, so as rendering, video editing and machine learning, thanks for CUDA cores and Tensor AI acceleration. However, the RX 9070 XT is not far behind, leveraging is the powerful compute compatibility for high performance rendering and creative applications. Power efficiency pricing. Power consumption is under crucial factor. The RTX 1580 consumes less power under load, making it a more efficient option. However, the RX 9070 XT aims for aggressive values, offering high performance at potentially lower price. Final verdict. So, which GPU should you buy? If you're looking for the best AI features, ray tracing and software optimizations, the RTX 1580 is the best option. However, if you want pure gaming power at a competitive price, the RX 9070 XT is absolute best. Which one will you choose? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.